Ever tried to pay a bill and realized you have no idea what login to use? Have you ever stared at a mountain of bills, gotten that sinking feeling, and then realized you have no idea how to log into your credit card account online? Don't worry, it happens to the best of us. Between bank accounts, credit cards, investment apps, and a million other passwords, keeping track of login information can feel like an impossible feat. But fear not, fellow bill payer. Today's episode is all about conquering the confusion and logging into your credit card online like a pro. By the end of this video, you'll be navigating your account with ease, ready to pay those bills and get that peace of mind back. Here's the thing, there's no one-size-fits-all answer to this question. Why? Because banks and credit card issuers all have their own unique online platforms. But don't let that overwhelm you. The process typically follows a similar structure, and with a few key tips, you'll be a login master in no time. Step 1. The Great Credit Card Login Hunt. First things first, you need to find your credit card issuer's website. This might seem obvious, but with so many financial institutions offering online services, it's easy to get lost. Here's a handy trick. Flip over your physical credit card. Look for the bank or credit union logo displayed prominently. That's your first clue. Now, fire up your favorite search engine and type in the bank or credit union name followed by online banking or credit card login. For example, if your credit card is from Chase Bank, you might search for Chase Bank credit card login. Step 2. Welcome to the login portal. Once you've landed on the correct website, you should see a designated login area. It might be at the top right corner of the screen, clearly labeled as login or online banking. Some banks even have dedicated mobile apps for easier access. Step 3. Credentials check, username and password party. Alright, here's where things might get a little tricky depending on your bank's setup. You'll typically need two things to log in, a username and a password. Username, this could be your credit card number itself, your online banking username you created during the initial setup process, or your email address associated with the account. If you're unsure, don't hesitate to contact your bank's customer service for clarification. Password, this is your secret weapon, so make sure it's strong and unique to this specific account. Avoid using birthdays, pet names, or easily guessable information. If you can't remember your password, most banks will offer a forgot password option to help you reset it. Step 4. Two-factor authentication, an extra layer of security, sometimes. Here's an additional step you might encounter, two-factor authentication, 2FA. This is a security measure many banks use to add an extra layer of protection. When you enable 2FA, you'll not only need your username and password, but also a unique code sent to your phone or email after entering your login credentials. Step 5. Welcome to your credit card oasis. Congratulations! You've successfully logged into your credit card account. Now you can explore the features offered by your bank's online platform. Here are some common things you can typically do. View your recent transactions and account balance. Make a payment towards your credit card bill. Set up automatic payments to avoid late fees. Update your account information. Download your credit card statement. Bonus tip, bookmarking your way to success. For easier access in the future, don't forget to bookmark your bank or credit card issuer's login page on your web browser. This will save you time and frustration in the long run. Remember, security is key. Never share your login information with anyone, and always log out of your account when you're finished. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy logging in.